Okay, now what I have to do, I have to configure my database. Like I have to use the two tier, then I'm going to create the tables, then user and the history, then I'm going to insert information. After that, I just logged out. Okay, so let's do this. Is the same as we did for our bare metal one. So if I use show databases, see the two tier is already created. So use two tier. Now I'm going to create the database. So the table, so the create table, let me copy it from here, insert. Oh, sorry. Okay. Then there is the same thing for this one also. Create table, the response, enter. So if I show tables, see my history and user is created. So now what I can do, I can insert information in those. So insert into users. The field name is email. Is the same as the bare metal. Then the password and the values will be abc at the rate of gmail.com. Hello 123. Okay, sorry, it's my bad. I instead of doing this one, I just give the clone instead of semicolon. No worries, just copy this, paste it, and just give semicolon and hit enter. So let's see if we actually select from users. See, my data has been inserted.